reach truck is a type of forklift, specifically designed for narrow aisle applications and high racking storage. It is commonly used in warehouses, distribution centers, and manufacturing facilities to efficiently handle palletized loads. With its sleek design and exceptional maneuverability, the reach truck is the ultimate solution for maximizing storage space in your warehouse. Designed with operator comfort in mind, the spacious cabin offers ergonomic seating, intuitive controls, and enhanced visibility, ensuring efficient and safe operation. The fingertip device, also known as fingertip controls or joystick controls, is a control mechanism located on the operator's console or armrest of the reach truck. With just a touch of the fingertips, operators gain precise control over forward and reverse travel, lifting and lowering of the forks, and more. The fingertip device allows operators to confidently maneuver reach trucks in tight spaces, maximizing productivity and ensuring safe operation. Designed with operator comfort in mind, the ergonomic layout of the fingertip device ensures effortless control and reduces operator fatigue during long shifts. The pre-height selection system takes reach truck technology to the next level, revolutionizing how operators handle pallets at different heights. With the pre-height selection system, operators can preset the lift height required for each racking level, eliminating the need for manual adjustments during operations. By accurately positioning the forks at the desired height beforehand, the pre-height selection system ensures seamless pallet retrieval and placement, minimizing errors and maximizing productivity. With its innovative design, the reach truck offers precise control when reaching for racks or pallets, even without the battery engaged. When unlocked, the reach truck's intelligent system allows operators to effortlessly push the forks together with the battery for convenient access or battery change. This innovative system enhances efficiency by reducing time-consuming adjustments, allowing operators to approach racks with precision and confidence. Whether you're operating in a warehouse, distribution center, or manufacturing facility, the reach truck is your key to optimized efficiency, increased productivity, and streamlined operations.